thing about segmented turning I've learned is that if you're really into turning, segmented turning might not be for you because only about 10% of the time is actual turning. But I like the whole process, so that's why I'm doing it. So that part is glued up. I'll put it aside, let it dry. We'll do these later on as part of that. Alright, hello everybody. I'm doing the white oak vase. I got a wild hair yesterday when I put it on and ended up turning more of it than I wanted to without the camera turning. But I'm going to finish up. I got a little bit of tear out I'm going to try to clear out. And then I still have to do the top. And I still have to do the inside of this one. So we're going to work on that. Try to get this done. And I'll do a separate video of another vase I'm trying to finish up. So here we go. So I'm on my last grit for the inside, which is 320. It's going to be kind of an enclosed piece, so I'm not going to take it down to 400. I don't think there's a reason for it. A little bit of shine juice. I think that's what I'm going to use on the inside here. Not going to finish the outside yet. I just want to get the inside finished. And then I can turn the top, get it finished on the inside, then I'll glue them all together and finish the whole out. make sure the inside of the top is the same diameter as the inside of the bottom, and that is 5 11/16. Let's take it off and mount the top. Before I do the inside, I want to get a rough cut on the outside. Take a closer look at that. I use my Ellsworth gouge for this. See it, but the top two rings are very close to the chuck, so I'll have to finish those, turn those once I have it connected to the bottom, and let it dry up, set. So I've made a conical plug to stick into the top to hold it in the bottom. I'll show you what I mean. It's going to go there. This will go in here, and the tailstock will hold it in place. Hopefully it'll be close to centered. Tool rest out of the way. Looks like it's turning nice and true. Alright, so now we gotta wait. Get this thing dried up and come back and finish it off. So I'll take off this lip, make this a nice smooth transition. I'll ease this top. I'll finish the inside of these top two rings, and if there needs to be any work on this transition piece on the inside, might try to hit that a little bit too if I have to. Other than that, then it's going to be finishing the outside, sanding it up, and putting some OB shine juice on it, and this piece will be done. Alright, we'll see you back next time. Okay, so I'm going to take this outside down so that it's a nice smooth transition. I'm still going to wait on the inside, let it set up some more, but I've got my tailstock up good and tight, holding the thing together nice and well, and I can even this out. crazy part is, these rings have been made for a long time, and I've been moving them around and getting them out of my way, and they've been sitting on a bench that I have my sharpener on, and every time I use it they fall on the floor, and they've been in the way, and I'm like, you know, I gotta do something with these. And boy, I'm pleased. I'm very pleased with how this has come out. I want to take my I really want to take my segmented turning up several notches, do a lot more with it, and there's more to come with that. But I'd say, you know, this is rather nice, and this one little ring of red oak in with the white oak actually makes a nice little detail. I'm pleased with that. And this end piece is also a willow oak, but it's a much older tree than any of the others, and it has some beautiful grain in it, and it all just adds. I'm very happy with this. Eager to get the inside done. All right, I've got it sanded to 400 grit. I'm actually going to burnish it a little bit, and then I will put the OB shine juice on it. Right, heck, you could use that as a finish. It'd look good. All right, I'm going to take off the tailstock here. Take a look at it inside. All right, now here's the part that gives me the creeps, because something goes wrong and you will see a grown man throw a temper tantrum like you've never believed. I'm going to give my gouge a sharpening before I continue on. I'll be right back. So I got it on the cold jaws. Fits very tight, but let's get this bottom squared off. Put myself a little bit of a recess in the middle, and I can put my brand on it. I'm rather pleased with that. spalting is nice. Yeah. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.